You've probably seen it, the Japanese pink salt trick, approved by Harvard and guaranteed to melt fat in just 15 days. But what's really behind this viral claim? Let's take a closer look. Ads promise insane results, 24 pounds gone in 2 weeks, no exercise, no diet. They scream, as seen on the Today Show, and Harvard and Oxford approved. But once you click, you're taken to a near-empty site where every word is actually an image, so you can't copy, search, or verify anything. It's a classic Facebook funnel. Fake urgency, fake endorsements, and one goal: get you to buy a product for $49 a bottle. Here's where it gets downright insulting. Each video has a different woman, but they all say the exact same script, sometimes in awkward, unnatural English. Watch their mouths closely. These aren't real testimonials, they're AI deepfakes with AI-generated voiceovers. Some words are phrased oddly, clearly written by non-native speakers trying to imitate casual American phrasing. The result? It's not just a scam, it's lazy and offensive. These scams follow a pattern: brand new domains, all text as images, no verifiable company, and the same fear-based tactics. Even the so-called FDA badges mean nothing. The FDA doesn't endorse facilities, it regulates them. There's no clinical data on this, no science behind the salt trick, and no real proof that any of it works. Just fake urgency and vague promises. Why do people fall for it? Because these scams are designed to exploit fear and desperation. They target people struggling with their weight, offering miracle results that feel too good to pass up. But it's a trap. No contact info, no refunds, no accountability, just money lost and trust broken. The Japanese pink salt trick isn't a miracle, it's a digital con. Powered by AI, dressed up with fake doctors and imaginary science, and designed to separate you from your money. If you've seen these ads or almost fell for one, drop a comment. Help others stay sharp, stay skeptical, and stay scam-free. Like, subscribe, and share your story below.